Welcome to this guide to using Wikispaces. Once you've created your account, all you'll need for that is a username and your email address with password. You'll be presented with this dashboard screen. Okay, so what you can do is actually search for other people's wikis to start adding to it. So you can search for find a wiki down here. Type in something that you're looking for and it will find a wiki that someone has created that you might be interested in. You can then add it to your favourite wikis. You can create a new wiki by clicking on the top right hand side to create that new wiki. What I've just done is created one for AS Workskills Reading. So this is what it looks like. It says welcome to your new wiki. And then you've actually got some hints and tips about how to use it. So you can use the edit button at the top right of the screen to start adding content onto it. And you can also click on settings and invite people. Okay, so if you click settings over on the right hand side, this is something you'll definitely want to do. Okay, so if you click on this bit which is add members, and you can search either by your username on Wikispaces if you know their name, or type in an email address of the person that you'd like to add. And if you click send, they'll then have the link to your Wikispace that then they can contribute to. Okay, so it's very much like using a Google Doc, but it's just a different way of doing it, just for a bit of variety. Okay, you can also click on settings and change the look and feel of the site. So if you have a look on the left hand side, you've got themes and colours, style sheet, logo, so that you can kind of change those aspects. So I'm just going to click on themes and colours just to show you what that kind of thing would look like. I'm going to have a notebook and I'm going to make it green. Okay, so I'm going to click apply and that will save my new changes. Okay, you can also change other aspects in terms of permissions, what other contributors are allowed to do, etc. Okay, so if you just click on the top left hand corner where it says the title of your site, it will take you back to the main page. So I'm now going to click on edit. What I want to do is actually get rid of these bits and pieces here. If you're still not quite sure how to use your wiki, just leave those on and then you've got the main instructions of how to get into everything. But I'm going to delete that now. So what I can do is start adding titles. So this is really a note-making site for all the things that have been covered on the course. So we're going to have time management and organisation, and I'm going to put revision skills as well. Now really what would happen is if I'd invited other contributors to this, they would then be able to add in their own notes to these sections and you'd all be able to collaborate on the same document. You can add in links, files, as well as images, and you could organise it so that you've got tables and things as well. Okay, so I'm just going to make those into headings. And you can change the text colour quite easily. It's a really nice interface because it's just like Word, it's just like Google. You'll be familiar with all the different options in terms of text and headings, bullet points and inserting links. Okay, so once you think you've done, just click on save. And then you've got that here. What you've also got over on the right hand side is a little time button with a clock, and it's got a number 1 next to it. So this will show all the revisions that have been made to your document. So if other people make revisions that you're not happy with, perhaps it's something that they shouldn't have actually written, you can revert back to a previous version. However, there's only been 1 revision made, so I'm just going to go back to this. What you can see is what they've inserted, deleted, and other things that they've done with the page, so you can see exactly what each person has changed. So if there has been something added that you're really not happy with, you'll be able to see who was responsible for that. Okay, so that's really a wiki. You can share it with other people by just copying the link, and even if you don't want to invite them as a contributor but you want them to have a look at what you've been doing, you can share that via a community or via an email address. So pretty straightforward to do. Have a go yourself and see how you get on. Good luck.